Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you 4 different Upton recipes for different skin types. So you can choose the one that best suits your skin type. So these Upton recipes will help you achieve clear, spotless, light and even skin tone. Now the best part is that you just need 2 ingredients to prepare the Upton. So let's find out the recipe. This Upton is ideal for sensitive skin type and also suitable for other skin types except oily and acne prone skin. To prepare this Upton, take 3 tablespoons of oats powder. So just grind the oats to get a fine texture. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So here I am using wild turmeric. Mix well and transfer into a clean bottle. To use, take 1 tablespoon of this powder, mix with some milk and apply it on your face. Gently rub the paste for 30 seconds and then rinse off with cool water. This Upton softens and smoothens skin while effectively cleansing and exfoliating pores. It helps reveal clear, blemish-free, glowing and lighter complexion. This is an ideal Upton for dry skin, and other skin types can also use this Upton except oily and acne prone skin. So you need 3 tablespoons of fine green gram powder and 1 tablespoon of kaolin clay, also known as the cosmetic clay, white cosmetic clay. Mix well and transfer the mixture into a clean bottle. To use, combine 1 tablespoon of this with thick milk. Apply onto your skin. Rub gently for 1 to 2 minutes and wash up with cool water. Green gram works as a great blemish-free exfoliant. It removes deep-seated impurities without making your skin dry, and kaolin clay lightens, whitens and brightens your complexion. It cleanses your pores without making your skin dry. This Upton is best suitable for oily skin and also suitable for normal and combination skin type. To prepare, you need 2 tablespoons of fuller's earth, that is your multani mitti, and then add 2 teaspoons of orange peel powder. Mix well and store in a clean jar. To use, take 1 big tablespoon of it and mix with rose water. Apply this paste and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Then gently rub the paste and rinse off with cool water. It effectively clears away dirt, oil and impurities and helps smooth large pores. It fights acne and helps you achieve blemish-free and flawless complexion. This is suitable for all skin types except sensitive skin. So you need 1/4 cup of fine masoor dal, that is your red lentil powder, and 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder. Mix thoroughly and transfer into a clean jar. Take 1 tablespoon into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of chilled curd or yogurt. Mix well Apply onto face. Let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes and then wash off with cool water followed by a moisturizer. This is one of the best Upton to balance and retexturize the skin, and it helps you grant healthy fairness, radiant and spot-free skin. So friends, give it a try and I'm sure you're gonna love this Upton recipe. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends. To watch more such beauty and weight loss tips, hit the subscribe button below. So friends, I'll see you until the next video. Till then, take care and bye.